Alright, we're going to be looking at Jerry's Black and White Cookies, Kramer's Butter, George's Calzones, and Elaine's Dance Class. First what we did was we found the nominal GDP for 2010, and what we did was we took the quantity in the given year and we multiplied the price in that given year, and we ended up getting $155,500. After that, we found the real GDP for 2011. This is a little different than the one before, because you're going to take the quantity and the year that's given, and you're going to multiply it by the price in the base year. So as you see, the base year is 2010, and so we're going to take the price from the base year, which is $5, and we're going to multiply the price of the given year in 2011, with the quantity in the given year, which is in 2011. And what we did for that, we got $276,700. After that, we found the market basket value, and all you do for the market basket is you multiply the quantity times the price given in that year. And we did that for 2010 and 2011. For 2010, it was $155,500. And for 2011, it was $93,750. After we did that, we found the CPI. For CPI, you take the total price in the year, divide it by the total price in the base year, which is 2010, and you're going to multiply that by 100. The CPI for year 2010 is going to be 100 because that is the base year. The CPI in the base year is always going to be 100. The CPI in 2011 for Jerry's Cookie would be 180 because we took the price in 2011 and we divided it by the price in 2010, as you can see right here. And we did that for every single one. So for Kramer's, we got 111. George's Calzone, we got 83. And Elaine's Dance Class, we got 110. After we did that, we did the inflation rate from 2010 to 2011. What you do is you take year 2, you subtract year 1, and you divide it by year 1. Year 1 is usually going to be the base year, especially in this case since we were not given any other years to compare. So for Jerry's, we got an inflation rate of 80%, and as you can see, that makes sense because it went from $5 all the way to $9. For Kramer's Butter, we got 11%, which again makes sense because we went from $4.50 to $5. There's not much difference, making 11%, pretty accurate. And then George's Calzone, we went down negative 17%, which makes sense as well because it went from $6 all the way to $5, so that was more of a deflation than an inflation. And then for Elaine's Dance, we went up 10%, which again makes sense because we only went from $10 to $11.